fall in love with this beautiful contemporary Weaverville home. You feel so secluded, yet are so close to downtown Weaverville and less than 20 minutes to Asheville. This home offers an amazing experience of taste, serenity, and convenience. The rocking chair covered front porch will amaze with beautiful year-round views. Upon entering the home, you will love the open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, gleaming wood floors, floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, and natural light that captures the true beauty of this space. The open-concept kitchen is designed to impress with large breakfast bar, impressive granite counters, and high-end appliances. Two spacious bedrooms and a guest bathroom are located separate from the main bedroom. The generously sized main bedroom has amazing bow windows, access to the deck, exceptionally large closet, and an ensuite bathroom with jetted tub and separate shower. The main floor is complete with a 2-car garage, large walk-in laundry utility room, and plenty of storage. The back deck is perfect for entertaining. It offers peaceful views of the level yard with mature trees. The finished basement can be used in a variety of ways, complete with a full bathroom, 2 more bedrooms, and a bonus room with access to the outside. This home won't last long. Call today.